Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm going to show you guys how to draw another Jurassic World Dominion dinosaur, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw the Apatosaurus. Now if you guys have more dinosaurs you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know and I'll try my best. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Apatosaurus, we're going to begin right up here and we're going to make the eye. So to do this, we're just going to start by making a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we're just going to draw a little tiny dot inside of there. Right above here, let's make a line that goes up and down for the eyebrow ridge. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come down with a little bit of a curve. Right here we'll make a little line that's going to come up. And we'll just kind of bring this down a little bit. Right here we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and that's going to come in. And right here we'll make a line that goes down and then we're going to bring it up here. Next we're going to take this line down and we want to bring it up so we can kind of form the jaw of our little Apatosaurus. Starting here, let's make a little kind of curved line for the nose with a small line right above it. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down for a little indentation in the face. Right underneath the eye I'm going to make a little line and then I'm going to draw a couple more under here for some details. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come down. And I'll make a couple more little lines that come down for the back of the head. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down and then we're going to bring it over here. Starting here, kind of a little bit in front of this line, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and it's going to come down here for the back. Now we're going to move back up here. First we want to go and draw a couple little lines underneath here just to kind of form the neck. The next step is to draw a line that's going to come down and we're going to make it a little bit wider as it comes down towards the body. Starting here, I'm going to start a little bit above that line. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and over. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It kind of curves in and then it's going to come all the way down to here. Next, we'll start a line that does the same thing. We're going to kind of curve in and then we're going to come down here for the leg. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over and then it's going to come up. Another one here that goes over and up. And one more, it's going to go over and up and I'll leave a little bit of space. Now they have a little claw that's going to come down and then back here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. And then we're going to bring it out a little bit. Make a little line that comes over, another one that goes down and over here. Now I'm going to bring this line up a tiny bit, and I'm going to start here with a little line. We're going to go up, we're going to come out, and then bring it up to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up for the stomach. Now right here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and we're going to go in and then out just a little bit, so it kind of curves just a tiny bit. Next we'll bring a line that goes over and up, and we'll do this a couple more times. Next we're just going to draw a little line that goes out and then it's going to come up. They have a little bit bigger claw in the back here. Next we're going to bring this line up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's going to go down. We'll make a couple more of those little toe shapes. Then we'll make a line that's going to curve down and up for that big claw. And then we're going to bring this up here. Now for the tail. They have a really long tail, and we're going to kind of wind this around so that we can get it all in here. So I'm just going to start back here. We're just going to bring this down to about here, and I'm going to curve it up. Then instead of starting at the end, I'm going to start right up here a little bit, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, we're going to come up, and then we're going to curve it down. Next, I'm going to bring this line back. I'm going to keep it really, really skinny. And I'm going to make it get a little bit bigger and bigger as it comes back towards the body. Now here's our basic drawing of our Apatosaurus. We just want to come in here and start adding some of the different details now. So I'm going to add a few kind of long broken lines right here by the face. And a couple more here. I'm going to make a long broken line that comes up and another one here. Just to show some little wrinkles on the neck. We also want to add some kind of long curvy lines right along the edge here, just to show some wrinkles and kind of where the legs kind of mush into the skin a little bit. I'm also going to make some little curved lines here, kind of where the knees would be. And right above the bottom of each of these toes, let's just draw a little curved line, just to kind of show where the toenail is going to be. So we're going to do this right across the bottom here. And we can even do it on these big claws as well. I'm also going to add some little broken lines coming across the top of the foot, just to show that there's some kind of wrinkly skin there. And we're going to do this right across here. Let's make a long broken line that comes right across the back. And a few more right across the stomach here. I like to add some of these little broken lines right along here on the legs. And then we're going to make some kind of quick little lines right along the back of our Apatosaurus. I'm also going to put some of these little lines coming right along the back of the tail here for some detail. And we'll put some extra little broken lines on here. Then we can just kind of come in here and add some extra little lines wherever we need to, just to add some extra details for our Apatosaurus. And then we'll draw a little line that kind of curves around the mouth here. And there you go, there's your drawing of an Apatosaurus from Jurassic World Dominion. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.